bread slice. Toast until golden and crisp on both sides. Spring onions adds crunch and a grassy brightness that balances the heaviness of the fat. Smoked pork fat acts like a savoury butter. It coats the mouth and makes the bread more indulgent. Smoked pork fat or cured pork fat is called Salo or Slanina. Salo or Slanina is a European food consisting of salt-cured slabs of pork, subcutaneous fat, with or without skin, and with or without layers of meat. You might know it as bacon, lard, or fatback in general, depending on context. Sour cream, cool, tangy and creamy with a gentle dairy sweetness. Salt and pepper completes the flavour balance, making each bite more vivid.